Unity versus division. What gives a nation its strength? Numbers, weapons, or wealth? No, it is unity. A united people can face any storm. They can endure hardship. They can rise after any fall. But division is poison. It breaks nation not from outside but from within. History tells us enemies succeed when a people are divided. Unity builds nations, division destroys them. And those who value unity secure their place in history forever. Allama Iqbal, our national poet, explains it in his couplet. फर्द कायम रब्त मिल्लत से है तन्हा कुछ नहीं मौज है दरिया में और बैरून दरिया कुछ नहीं. An individual, an individual strength lies in his bond with the community. Alone he is nothing. A wave exists only within the river. Beyond the river, it's nothing. That's it.